Hey there, web creators! Ever wanted to add a little extra flair to your website sections? Well, you're in luck. In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to add a super cool shape divider to any section or Flexbox container using JupyterX and Elementor. It's a fantastic way to make your pages visually pop and give them that polished, professional look. And if you're new here, JupyterX is an all-in-one Elementor-based WordPress theme trusted by over 200,000 users. It replaces Elementor Pro with built-in tools, includes 450-plus ready-made websites, and comes with a one-time payment instead of recurring fees. Let's dive in and make your site shine. Let's add top and bottom shape dividers to this section. To start, click on Edit with Elementor to open the Elementor editor where we can begin making our design changes. In the Structure panel, select the specific container we want to work with, which will bring up its settings. It doesn't matter whether you're using Flexbox containers or traditional sections, the process is pretty much the same. To find the styling options for this container, click on the Style tab. This is where we'll add our shape dividers. Scroll down a bit to locate the Shape Divider setting. Click on Shape Divider to open its settings, where we'll add a unique visual element to the top of our container. Let's try this Tilt Opacity Shape Divider, which adds a subtle angled transition that's perfect for the top of our container. Alright, so now it's the bottom part's turn. Let's get that divider looking fab down there. Feel free to explore multiple options and find the one that best suits your design. When you're satisfied with the design, click the Publish button to save and make your changes live. Alright, let's take a look at our changes. And there you have it. We've just learned how to effortlessly add shape dividers to your sections or Flexbox containers in JupyterX and Elementor. Now you can go forth and create stunning, dynamic web pages with beautiful visual separations. Don't forget to hit that Publish button to see your awesome new designs live. Happy designing!